Now this is another formal problem where we know the radius of a disk. It's gonna be in 6 centimeters, or we can draw it in meters right now. Let's do everything in meters just for the sake of your mental health. And we're just asked like tangential speed. We're just asked like tangential acceleration and centripetal acceleration. Okay, so pretty much everything is very easy to get. You know that the tangential acceleration is going to be the radius times angular velocity. The tangential acceleration is going to be the radius times alpha. That's angular acceleration. And the centripetal acceleration is going to be the radius times angular velocity squared. Okay, so we're going to have this, and well, we now, first of all, we need to see that we have an angular speed of this thing. Okay, we need to transform that into radians per second. So 300 revolutions per minute. If we just multiply times 2 pi and divide over 60, we can get 10 pi. I'm gonna leave it this way, but if you want to write it as 31.41, it's okay. Just remember these are radians over second and radians over second. Okay, so from here I'm just gonna start with the velocity. I'm just gonna write the tangential velocity. It's equal to the radius. I just wrote it here. It's 0.06, sorry, times 10 pi. And that is the result is going to be 3/5. Whoa, something's wrong here with my tablet. 3/5 of pi. And that's going to be radians over second. No, meters over second, sorry. Meters over second. And this is equal, if you don't want that, you can actually write it as 1.88 meters over second. Okay, both results are okay. Let's continue with the next one, and that's gonna be, I don't know, on a purple thing. We're gonna note that centripetal acceleration is gonna be radius. That's 0.06 times omega squared. Then I'm gonna write 10 pi. That's gonna be squared. And the result of that is 59.21 meters over second squared. Okay, until now everything is easy, so we're just gonna finish with the last one. That's gonna be the tangential acceleration. Okay, so actually the result of this is gonna be very easy because we're told we need to read, okay, this weird ability that we then use most of the time. We're told that we have a constant angular speed. What happens when the speed is constant or velocity is constant? Acceleration is zero. Once again, if my angular speed is constant or tangential speed is constant, tangential acceleration is going to be zero. Okay, so learn that. Once again, learn that. Keep it into your heart. Okay, and write it down. That's going to make you very happy people.